Alright everybody, what's going on? Today I'm gonna go ahead and make this video showing how to fix or repair or figure out why your power wheel vehicle is not working. This particular one's 12 volts. They come in 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt, all kind of different configurations. So you know, your kid gets in it and they're pushing the pedal. So I have the battery in it right now. Kid gets in it and they're pushing the pedal, you're pushing the pedal, and it's not working. So obviously the first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure the battery is charged. So if they just used it and it died, okay, it probably needs to be charged. So you should try charging it. But if you just charged it, and now it's not working, perhaps it wasn't plugged in correctly, first thing I would do is make sure you got it plugged in and go plug it in again and make sure that it charges another time, just to be sure that it wasn't some kind of accident. But once this battery sits and charges again after you are certain you charged it before, and you put it back in the vehicle and it does not work, the next thing I would do is get a voltmeter and check these terminals to see what kind of voltage it is getting. If it's supposed to be a 6 volt and you're only getting 1 volt, then the battery is not any more good if it was just charged. If it's 12 volt and it's reading anything less than 9, it's probably not going to work too very well. And the same as if it's 24 and it's only getting 10, then it wouldn't be doing well either. So the first thing you're going to do is get a voltmeter. Make sure it's on DC current, because AC is going to be what's coming out of your wall, alternating current. This is a DC battery. And we're going to go ahead, see if I can do this with one hand. And I am getting a whole 1.1 volts. So I'm supposed to be reading 12 point something, or 11 point something would be 12. I'm only getting 1.1, so it's safe to say that since this battery has just been charged, it is no more good. And there's the terminals right here and right here. So you're going to go ahead and connect to those. If you have it backwards, you know, if you've got the negative to the positive, it'll just read -1 or -5. So then you would just swap it around, make sure you have the right ones to your positive and negative. But regardless, if it shows -1 and you're supposed to be at 12, then that's the issue. So this battery is not any more good. That'd be the first place to start, because it'll be the first thing to go wrong with these power wheels 9 times out of 10. I mean, if you got like 3 or 4 kids piling up in one of these, then they might wear out the motor, burn up the motor. But if you check the battery and the battery is not good, then that's the problem. If the battery is good and it's not working, then you should check the wiring. Make sure a mouse or something didn't chew it up. And if the battery is good and you don't see any problems with the wiring, then the motor is most likely burned up. I will make another video showing the underneath and inside of these things and give you a better idea what to look for, and show you how you can change the motor out or replace it for something stronger or better and whatnot. So if your battery is bad, you can go to Walmart or go on Amazon and order a replacement. This particular battery is about 60 to 70 bucks, which is slightly overpriced to me. You can get a replacement that's the same for cheaper on Amazon or so. something that'll work, but it's not quite the same. And I will also make a video showing you how to replace this battery with another type of battery, or using a drill battery such as DeWalt or Milwaukee, where you'll have 4, 5, 6 batteries laying around and you can just swap them out and never have to really have your kid waiting for it to charge. You're able to pop the top off of this, use the same wiring, the wire is the same, but I'll wire it a different way, and I will have a video showing that. So if you're seeing this now, there's a good chance that I've already made that video. So if you go to my channel and look through the videos, you should be able to find it. I will also make a video showing you how to more or less try to jump this battery back into life. I've seen a few videos of it like that, and I've done it with other types of batteries. So I'll check into that, and I'll make a video showing how you can use another battery to put a little oomph back into this one, just in case it's, you know, dead. Kind of like a car battery, jump starting it back to life till it's back on a little charging cycle. But I'll have a video of that. I'll also have a video showing you how to use a different type of battery in these power wheels. And it doesn't matter if it's 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt, it's all the same concept. And I'll also have a video showing you a little more in-depth other things that could go wrong, but this is typically the problem right here. So hopefully this helps somebody, you know. And if one of the other videos will help you out, check them out, and I'll show you how to put a more powerful battery or higher voltage battery that won't burn up the motor, but it'll get a little more speed out of it too as well. If your kid's getting older, 5, 6 years old, and they still want to ride around, but it's kind of slow, that'll be something with it as well. So appreciate you guys checking it out. Hopefully this helped some of y'all out, and y'all take it easy.